We are going to be looking at 6 golden rules. 6 golden rules you must abide by so that you can be able to have a good success rate in your trading journey. All right. So as to help you avoid making silly and unnecessary mistakes during trading. Remember these 6 basic rules. All right, let's go. So number 1, you must stay within your target no matter the circumstances of the market. Number 2, do not be greedy because tomorrow comes another opportunity. So number 3, do not trade when you are distracted or busy with other things. Number 4, always stick to your trading plans or strategy. Number 5, you must leave the market right on time. Finally, take note of this. Number 6, do not go into late entrance of the market. Let go the opportunity, others will come. One thing I have to say again is all businesses has a secret, all right, of which if you follow through it, you must have a very good success rate. Now, the main aim with trade is to be successful and most importantly, make profits, not to be losing our money. So you need to take business very, very serious. That's why you need to have the required skills and knowledge. Many traders have made silly mistakes, all right, by losing all their profits in the markets. Always know that there are thousands of opportunities in the marketplace, okay, to profit from. So do not be in a hurry of taking any trade, okay? All right, the point here is that those who rush into the market always end up rushing out with great losses on their side. That's why it's very important to carry out a detailed and thorough analysis on your charts before venturing into any kind of trading activities. All right, let's get straight to the business of the day, okay? All right, in my first video, okay, I told you I designed a signal machine, okay? Now, what this machine does is that it helps you simplifies the charts, all right, and gives you the correct trend of the market, okay, whether bullish or bearish trend, okay. It gives you the opportunity to figure out the correct trend of the market and also signal you whether the market has gone high to the overbought level or to the support level. It will give you all of those signals, all right, so that you know when to buy and when to sell. You must ensure that the market moves high to the overbought level. All right, it's very important. I'm pointing at the overbought level right now. That's the overbought level. It has to go straight to the overbought level first. So both at the 4 hours time frame and at the 1 hour time frame, okay, it has to touch the overbought level. It's very important, okay. Now take note, it must touch the overbought level. Very, very important. And also it must touch your 90 degree. The same thing applies to the support zone, okay. For the market to buy properly, okay, or to be fully bullish, okay, it must touch your 10 degrees. Must touch your 10 degrees. Very, very important. It must touch the 10 degrees. All right, then you know that the market is going to buy up, okay. Now let's look at the 3 basic confirmations to be considered before getting to the market. Okay, I told you that the market must have to buy and touch your 90 degrees. Okay, so once you're done with that, all right, you just place a line at the first layer of your indicator and another line at the second layer of your indicator. Okay, and watch if the market will break through the second layer, okay, for a sell, because now we are considering to enter for a sell, okay. And once you see the red line crosses the blue indicator, like you're seeing there, all right, the red line crosses the blue indicator up, okay. All right, so you immediately move to 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes time frame. Once you go to 5 minutes time frame, first thing to check again is to make sure that your MACD has crossed to the 0 level. It has crossed to the 0 level, like you're seeing it now. It has crossed down to the 0 level. Very, very important. It's very important. Okay, let me show you another instance. Okay, you can see where the MACD crosses to your 0. Let's take. All right, you can see where the MACD crosses to the 0 level. Okay, cross down to the 0 level. Well, that shows that the market is in for a sell. So immediately you take your trade. Take your trade immediately after the line. So once you place your trade, just allow it to settle down. Okay, all right, it might decide to spike a bit. Okay, this is a spike you're seeing. Okay, this is the spike you're seeing. All right, so it can decide to spike a bit, but it will still settle down. Okay, so it's just a pullback. All right, but take note, your MACD, take note, your MACD must cross over to the zero level. Very important. All right, so as the market is selling, all right, as it's selling down, the MACD is also going down. You can see the MACD is also going downward. Okay, all right, so that's how it works. So let's look at our take profits. It's always very important to take your profit at the nearest support zone. All right, where is your nearest support zone? Look at the nearest support zone. Okay, that's where there was a spike when the market was bullish. There was a spike at that spot you're seeing. Okay, that's the nearest support zone you're seeing. Okay, on that line. Okay, so that's where you take your first profit. Okay, if you don't want to go long, all right, don't want to go long. Okay, so you take your profit there and do the same thing you did previously. Place your first line at the first layer of the your indicator, and the second line, the second layer of your indicators. So and watch if it will break through any of the lines. If you break upward, know that the market is going to buy. If it breaks downward, know that the market is going to sell. That's how it works. Okay, so now in this case, okay, the market has already gone to your overbought level previously, so it's not going to buy any longer. It's not going to be a bullish market, okay, but a bearish market. So you have to just wait for it to start coming down again. All right, once it starts coming down, okay, you can see the market has already touched your 90 previously, your 90 degree previously, so it has gone to the overbought level previously. So you just have to wait for it to start coming down. Okay, just wait for it to start coming down. All right, so once the market start coming down, okay, do the same thing just like you did before. All right, so you have to pick a line, all right, and place your line at the first layer of the indicator you're seeing up, and pick the second line, place at the second layer of the indicator. So and watch if it will break through. If it breaks through the second line, okay, you know that it's in for a sell. All right, so and you can see I've already made some profits. Okay, it broke through the second line at the second layer of the indicator. Okay, it broke down, so immediately I entered for a sell. Okay, all right, so you can do the same thing on 4 hours time frame. This one is 1 hour time frame. All right, so I'm also going to take my profit here. You're seeing that's how I will take my profit, because that's the next nearest support zone. Okay, all right, since I love a longer trade, okay, so I'm going to take my profit there. All right, so that's how it works. So if you're interested in having this signal machine, just let me know in the comment section, okay, that you're interested in having it, and I will make it available to you. All right, one thing you do is to share this across to everyone so that they will know that something like this is available. Okay, all right, everyone will have it. Okay, all right, so share the video, like the video, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel so that I can do more of this video. I have lots of secret to reveal, okay, to you guys. Okay, all right, so like the video, share this video, and in my next video I'm going to be giving you guys the setup, all the setup for these indicators. So don't miss the next video. It's very, very important. I'm going to give you all the setup free of charge. All the setup free of charge. Okay, so do not joke with this. Okay, all right, Have a wonderful day and stay blessed. Thank you for watching.